Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Jr. ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today Gold Miners Jr. is down about 2.19% on the 1-hour chart. The RSI is currently oversold, and on the 4-hour RSI we are nearing an oversold territory. On the daily chart we lost support that dated back to early this month. Back in May 2nd, we are about to close below, but we have about 30 minutes left in trading, and the next support that I see will be at the price of roughly $27.32, which coincides with this price concentration that dated back between August of last year to November of last year as well. So I'll mark that as support. So this concentration right here, and we are nearing that support territory, but if we were to reverse, we still need to break out between this 9-day moving average and 18-day moving average. So this would act as immediate resistance. So if we were to reverse this downtrend, that price movement is about 2.6% move up. But if we continue on down, that price movement will be around 85 basis points. On the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to October 23rd, 2012 to January 23rd, 2013. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is in the beginning of the trend, we started off we had several days above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to go down further, touching the bottom Bollinger Band, and an attempt to touch the middle Bollinger Band, but not quite hold the price for several days, and then we proceeded to touch once more on the bottom Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with Bollinger Band, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. And then what we have here is another attempt to touch the middle Bollinger Band, but not quite close above it. And then we proceed to go down and touch the bottom Bollinger Band once more. So we have that same pattern right here. We have an instance of it touching or closing for several days above the middle Bollinger Band. And then we continued in a downtrend and several attempts of touching or closing above the middle Bollinger Band. And we do see quite a similar situation as in the current trend. And what we have here is a decent several days above the middle Bollinger Band, but it does go further down, touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So there's reason to believe that the trend or patterns are the same. The outcome will also be the same. So what we have here is the day-by-day forecast of GDXJ or Gold Miners Jr. back in 2012 to 2013. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Back then, in October 23rd, 2012 to January 23rd, 2013, Gold Miners was down about 4.8% down, and here's the line graph that I compared it to. So we have the current trend right here and overlapping with the 2012 to 2013 trend. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.